I was sent this grocery cart so that I can actually tell you more about it. And let me tell you, I actually love this thing. I am on my way to the grocery store now as it is, but this is cool. So it actually is two separate pieces. So you have your bag and then you have this. Now I've actually used this for kind of like a dolly in a way, just to be able to move something. But let me go ahead. I'm going to bring it all down. I'm gonna put it inside of here. I'm gonna go grab my groceries and I'll tell you more about it once I'm back. One of the things that makes this different is the wheels because it's really easy to go over stairs. So the bag itself will actually carry up to 60 liters and the cart without the bag or with the bag, either way, will actually hold up to 330 pounds. So it's going to fit a whole week's worth of groceries. So I took out the one bag so I can actually show you what's going on inside of here. So you do have a bag that has a zipper right here. It is a drawstring here if you want to go and close it that way. And there is a flap here with Velcro that you can Velcro here or all the way down here, up to you. So you also have another zipper here, and on each side you also have pockets. So really, even if you don't put everything inside of the one huge bag, then you will be able to put it inside of the other pockets. So I took the bag. It still has all my groceries in there, but for you, they can wait a minute. So you do have a handle here, and these straps are here because that is actually how it goes over this. Now, as I said, you can use this by itself, and the wheels, like we talked about, are pretty awesome because it allows you to be able to go over the steps, and the front doesn't have wheels, so you don't need to necessarily worry about brakes or anything like that. So taking this, I'm just going to press this button and push down. And that's how small it turns into. So it's really easy to go ahead and store it as well. I have to say, this has been the coolest thing. And again, I can take it with me when I go grocery shopping and put things in it. I can leave it inside the car and just put my bags in it quickly, which is what I did. This is just, I don't know, this is probably one of the coolest grocery carts I have come across, and I've actually come across a few.